Think you know space? You've been lied to. Let's break down the top 5 space myths that everyone still believes. I know you've heard this one. Black holes are giant vacuums that suck up everything in space. Sounds terrifying, right? Well, that's not how they work. Black holes have strong gravity, but they don't go around sucking things in. You only get pulled in if you cross the event horizon, the point of no return. Otherwise, objects can orbit around them just like they would any other massive object. I know you've heard people say the moon has a dark side, but that's completely wrong. The moon has a far side, not a dark one. It gets just as much sunlight as the side we see. The reason we never see it? Tidal locking. The moon rotates at the same speed it orbits Earth, so we always see the same face. You've seen astronauts floating in space, so you might think there's no gravity up there. But that's not true. Gravity's everywhere, even in space. Astronauts on the ISS aren't weightless. They're in free fall. The ISS is constantly falling around Earth, but it's moving so fast that it never hits the ground. If space had no gravity, the moon wouldn't orbit Earth, and planets wouldn't stay in place. Okay, I know you've heard this one. Space is completely silent, but that's only half true. Yes, sound needs air to travel. So if you scream in space, no one will hear you. But in dense gas clouds or plasma waves, sound can travel. I know you've heard this one. Someone drifts into space and instantly explodes or freezes solid. Yeah, that's not how it works. In reality, if you found yourself in space without a suit, you'd have about 15 seconds before passing out from lack of oxygen. Your body would swell a bit, and after a minute or two, you'd be dead. So next time someone tells you black holes suck things up, or that astronauts are in zero gravity, you'll know the truth. If you love space facts like this, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we've got plenty more coming your way. See you in the next one.